In this workshop, they're trying to keep Gaza's struggling fishing industry alive. Israeli restrictions on the entry of key materials like fibreglass have made them impossibly expensive, they say. Mustafa Miqdad says the workers upcycle whatever they can lay their hands on.
We use very old fiberglass that was used in Gaza, and the wood is from door frames obtained from under the rubble. People bring it and we buy it from them, so we use the wood for boat making.
Fishing was an important part of daily life in Gaza before the war, providing a livelihood and feeding the population. The small skiffs these workers are fixing up were designed for leisure. People would swim off them. But with the shortages, they've become a lifeline for fishermen. Mohammed al-Hissi, a fisherman who can barely make ends meet, says a kilo of fiberglass cost about 50 or 60 shekels before the war, or $17 to $21. Today, it would set him back $275. Kogat, the Israeli military agency that controls access to Gaza, said Israel bans entry of items that can carry dual military and civilian uses. But it didn't comment directly on fiberglass. Gaza's Fishermen Syndicate member Zakaria Bakir says the furthest fishermen can venture out is 1 kilometre or 0.6 miles. That's because of the blockade and risk of Israeli fire. With that and their limited equipment, Gaza fishermen's catch has shrunk drastically to less than 15 tons a month. Before the war, they'd catch that every day, Bakir said. He put the fishermen's direct losses at $90 million.
The Israeli occupation targeted the fishing sector in all its components. Even sectors relating to fishing have been destroyed. More than 95% of fishermen's properties have been destroyed, whether boats, engines, storerooms, fish auction markets, or fishermen's rooms.
The ceasefire brokered by US President Donald Trump has failed to halt Israeli attacks and left Israel in control of more than half the enclave. That's following the conflict that began with Hamas attacks on southern Israel in October 2023. The Israeli military didn't respond to questions about alleged shootings targeting Palestinian fishermen.